Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows 10. So to get Notepad++, open your browser. So any preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You simply go to notepad-plus-plus.org, which is here on the very top, and then you have to just click on this download here or download the big button. Okay, so let's go ahead and click here, download. One thing you have to make sure that you check your operating system type, so basically whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. okay, and then you install the right package for your system. So what we are going to do, we will quickly go ahead and check the system type. So simply, if you're using Windows 10, if you see this file explorer, just right click on it, okay, and then open the file explorer, or simply click on it, left click, and then go to this PC, right click and go to properties. Here you will see system type. So mine is 64-bit operating system, but on 64-bit you will get 32-bit working as well. So both will work, 64-bit and 32-bit. But if you prefer 64-bit, you can go ahead and install 64-bit. If your system is 32-bit on Windows 7, you simply go to my computer and right click, and then go to you right click and go to properties, and you will see the system type. Okay, now here is the 32-bit. we have four options basically. The first one is the automatic installer. You don't have to locate anything in it. The second one is zip package, which can be ported to another computer. You just download it and keep it with yourself. 7Z, again, it's a kind of zip package. To unzip it, you need to have 7Z package. That's the software. Minimalist package, 32-bit, that is going to be quick. You won't have any theme or plugin or any updater kind of things. So we will go ahead and download and install 64-bit for this system. So click on it. If you have 32-bit, click on this one, 32-bit on the very top. So I'm going to click the 64-bit, going to save it on the desktop, and I'm using Google Chrome browser. If you're using any other browser, you please locate the downloaded software package and double click on it. Or if you're using any browser and you're clicking on the package downloaded within the browser interface, you just single click on it. On the window, the pop-up window, you say yes, and then select your language. I'm going to choose the English, and then just follow the setup wizard. I agree, and you can see this is 64-bit, so it's going under program files, and these are the options. If you want to have plugin, theme, localization, I don't know what it is. Let's have a look, and then click install. You do not want to check this box. If you need the shortcut, you simply click on this. And it shouldn't take a long time. We will launch the Notepad++ in a moment. It's very lightweight software, basically text editor, code editor, and it's used by professionals around the globe. So it's really good software. And here we are done. Now we will click finish and it's going to launch it. So this is Notepad++. Now in this latest version, that is 7.6.6, there are many bugs were fixed. You can go ahead and have a look at this one, and now you get the plugin tab here, so you don't have to install it manually. Okay, so plugin admin, just click on it in case if you want to install it, and then select the plugin and it's going to be installed. Let me see if I have any plugins that I'm interested in. So preview HTML, Python indentation. Let's go ahead and install this one. And once you select it, just click on this install thing here. If you click yes, you will quit Notepad++. Make sure if you have anything here, you want to save it first. Okay, and in the process of basically installing this package, the plugin, it's going to restart the Notepad++. So this is one, you need to have everything saved on your system. So here we are. This is, so I'm going to close this. I don't want to save anything, and this is basically one file. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Save as, and I'm going to say hello.py. Permission to save this location. So what I'm going to do, I need to change the location. I will go to, I thought I was already on the desktop. Let me see if I have any folder where I can, so PyBox. And here we are. So now if I go ahead and do something like print, you can see you're getting everything because this knows that it's a Python file. And this is basically Python. So it does recognize this method, print method. If you go ahead and save it and run it quickly, this is going to work. So I'm going to launch this one. The terminal, go to desktop, and then go to PyBox, and then Python hello and hello world. So that's it for this video. So now you can install Notepad++ and plugin as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now. Happy coding.